straight ahead, first right turn, and welcome home.
Thank you. Take care of yourself, all right?
I will. Have fun.
Thank you. We're in. We are staying at Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort. We don't even have to check in. You pre-check in. You can check in, I think it was 4 days ago I checked in. And then this morning I got an email saying our room is ready. So we get to go right to our room. Don't have to go to the front desk. We are staying in Congress Park, and these are the refurbished rooms. 1 bedroom, studio villa. It works. Oh my goodness. We are back at a Disney hotel. We have a mini kitchen, we have a sink, coffee maker, microwave, toaster, a really nice refrigerator, plastic cups, utensils, plates. You can have a joining room, then heading over to the bathroom. Wow, that is really nice. Yes, I have missed the Disney soap. We have a really nice rain shower. Nice deep tub. There's me. Hello. More Disney soap. And right here you have the closet, hangers, iron board, a vacuum. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Nice queen size bed. We have USB plug-ins. Look at the Mickey Mouse hat. More USBs. I really like this dresser. Nice. I think that's a 50-inch, maybe 55-inch TV. Look at the remote. It says cleaned. Comes in its own packaging. And then they left this enhanced cleaning and let you know this room is clean. You have a really nice couch, coffee table, and I believe this turns into a pull-out bed. Yes, look at that. How cute is that? You see the hidden Mickey? This room is awesome. Very modern, very sleek. I love the design. But check out this view that we have. We are staying on the first floor. We can see Disney Springs. That is how close we are. Oh yes, I miss seeing this. This is a little sad. All the parks are closed. Stacy, we've missed you. This means you are at Walt Disney World. Coming up on the main lobby. Right now, there is no valet at any of the resorts, including Disney Springs, and Disney's Magical Express is still running, but very limited. Disney is not offering airline check-in at the moment. When you're staying here at a Disney resort, you don't have to have your temperature checked. You can find these health and safety reminders all over the resort. Disney wants you to check in online or on your My Disney Experience app. That way, you can skip coming to the front desk. You can find hand sanitizer scattered throughout the resort. And here is the main lobby. This is where you will come check in, check out. If you have any questions about your park tickets, transportation, they will take care of you. Also, they have installed plexiglass at the registers to protect yourself and the cast members. Look at this in the main lobby. Since this resort is themed around horses, they have every single horse that has ever been in a Disney movie. That's pretty cool. I love how Disney still has the penny press machines at the resorts. More health and safety signage throughout the resort. Right outside of the main lobby. This is where I came yesterday to upload my video because the Wi-Fi is very fast right here. But it's just kind of like a lounge. You can come here, relax, hang out. Very quiet. And then if we keep going this way, this will take you into the food court area. We have some ground markers and some more hand sanitizer. You can also find the resort gift shop in here as well. And we have some more signage. And look at this. Here in the gift shop, they are selling the Disney mask. Only Mickey and Minnie right now. That's cool. So you don't have to go all the way to Disney Springs or order it online. Since I have officially stayed at Saratoga Springs, you know what that means. I have to add the pin to my Disney pin collection. Here's a quick look at some of the exclusive merchandise from Saratoga Springs. I love the horse theming. of the resort. A coffee mug, toothpick holder, aka a shot glass, keychain, ornaments, magnets, and a hat. I'm also going to buy some Disney Resort body wash. It's currently breakfast time right now. They have Mickey waffles, bacon, scrambled eggs, French toast, cinnamon rolls, oatmeal bagels. Wow. And if you're staying at a Disney resort, good news, they're still offering the reusable mugs. And if you're using the refillable mug, this is how it works. You'll bring it over and the cast member actually has to refill your mug for you. Or even if you get a regular fountain drink, the cast member has to fill it up for you. You can buy water, snacks, bread, eggs, cheese, milk, Lunchables, soda, beer, parfaits, more bottled beverages and water. Ooh, they have a Saratoga sparkling water exclusive for this resort. Powerade, fruit, ice cream, ooh, Mickey bars, Mickey sandwiches, frozen pizzas, Eggos, more beer, more wine, a grab and go margarita. You can buy all kinds of snacks and food here. Chips, cereal, more social distancing here in the food court. This resort is highly encouraging mobile order. I get it, I mean, it's safer, it's easier, contactless. This resort also offers the Turf Club bar and grill. And just to give you guys a quick idea to how big this resort is, it is massive. You also have the Treehouse Villas right next door. We are making our way to the big Saratoga Springs pool. I love their pool here. They have a really cool water slide also. And here we are, pool hours 11 a.m. to 9 o'clock p.m. But looks like I am the only guest at the moment. Disney was so well prepared. I mean, they have health and safety reminders on the trash cans, arrows pointing which direction to walk in. On the rocks, which is the poolside bar, is open. Looks like some cast members are training. Every single one of them are wearing a mask, so that's really good. Such a really good day today. Look at this. Oh, look at the duck. He wants to chill too. Uh-oh, they're gonna go get the duck. He doesn't want to leave. I will definitely be taking advantage of the hot tub. And you are allowed to take off your mask when you go inside the pool. Please do not move chairs. They have already been positioned to keep a minimum of 6 feet between you and the other parties. Look how close we are to Disney Springs. We can see the characters in Flight Balloon. Yet again, it is another very hot day here in Florida, so the pool water feels really nice. The pool activities just started with the little kids. I mean, honestly, it feels like a normal day at a Disney resort. I know you see the lifeguards wearing a mask and then you see other guests wearing a mask. I was talking with another lifeguard. He did tell me each resort is only allowing 20% of guests. Normally it would be 100. Today, only 20%, but they are expecting a lot of cancellations. All right, we're gonna play some poolside bingo. Bianca got a bingo. I was like 1 away. That is awesome.
Straight down across.
You wanna know what we won? Any guesses?
Diddly squat.
We didn't win nothing. Just some extra magic
Yeah,
in the air. Still fun.
it's a lot of fun.
Also, there are cast members walking around, so when you're done using these chairs, you have to set them up. That way the cast member knows you're done and they will sanitize the chairs. Also, there's another cast member walking around, so any new guests coming to the pool, the cast member will come to you and kind of explain all the rules and sanitation procedures. Really organized. And Disney is social distancing room, so just say if we're staying here, nobody will be here. We just got back to the room from the pool, got a little sun, got a little tan. It's nice being back. I am logging back into my Disney experience to try to make these park reservations, but the system is crashed. After about 4 hours of waiting around, I was finally able to get into the new theme park reservation system, but it's not working. It's saying no times or dates are available. Very weird. I have no idea what's going on. Okay, I think I figured it out. We have another Disney hotel stay in October, and I was able to make a reservation for October, but I cannot make a reservation for July 11th because I'm not staying at a Disney hotel on July 11th. So it looks like on June 26th, annual pass holders can make reservations for July 11th and so on and so forth. So it really wasn't that confusing. We are about to leave the hotel room, hop on a bus to see how the social distancing is going on the bus transportation, make our way over to Disney Springs for some fun. We have some more dining reservations tonight. And I'm sure some of you are wondering how much did I pay for this hotel room. Now, it does vary based on when you come, but it was 12 DVC points, so about $266. We could walk to Disney Springs because we do have our own walkway. There's the other pool over there. But I think we are going to opt for the bus and then possibly take a boat back. And look at this, they have ground markers here at the bus stop. They also have hand sanitizer stations at the bus stop. We made it to a bus and it's heading to Disney Springs, but look at all the new social distancing here on the bus transportation. Looks like you have numbers and also stickers where not to sit all throughout the bus. Disney has also installed these shields to block each party from sitting next to each other. And you do have to wear your mask while on the bus. Oh wow, great job Disney. Very organized. We just got off the bus. We are now at Disney Springs and look at this. Hotel guests, we have our own entrance and temperature screening outside of the orange and lime garage.
Watch all male ambulance away, please. Roger that.
Disney has restocked all of the face coverings and today there's no line. I believe our hotel room is right there. I mean, look how close we are from the resort to Disney Springs. Okay, we did what we needed to do here at Disney Springs, did some shopping, we ate some lunch, but now I want to test out a theory. I want to go back to the Disney bus stop and try to get on a bus to Disney's Polynesian Resort or the Contemporary, just to see if we can still resort hop. You know, I do have reservations for other resorts later tonight, but since I really don't have nothing to do right now, it would be nice to get over to the Polynesian or the Contemporary just to see a look at Cinderella's castle with the paint job. All right, Disney's Polynesian Resort, bus stop number 9. Made it to bus stop number 9 and look at the queue. They are beyond prepared for the crowds for the reopening. Our bus is here. I just had a quick conversation with our bus driver. Every time they make the round trip stop, they have to air out the bus for 4 minutes before reloading. It worked. We're on our way to the Polynesian. Well, we made it to Disney's Polynesian Resort. It is very weird because no monorail. Big difference. Because normally you can hear the monorails. Very interesting. So good to be back. Whoa. This is very weird. Looks like they had a grand opening this morning. We get to walk the red carpet. Oh, I've missed the smell of the Polynesian. It's empty. What the heck? I mean, I know it's empty because of the current situation, but it's very weird. I'm so used to people being everywhere, but the smell, it smells so good. Ooh, we can get a Dole Whip. How's it feel to be back at the Polynesian?
It feels amazing. I'm so excited.
The Disney monorails are not running. We do not know when the monorails will be back. What a scary sight. No Ohana for the moment. No Lapu Lapus. Wow. Very eerie feeling right now. Captain Cook's is open. Nobody is in here at the moment. Trader Sam's has not opened either. Oh my goodness. Look at Cinderella's castle. It is so gold and pink and blue. Looks like an all new castle. I know we can't see much, but some is better than none. Can't wait to be back over there. Good morning. It is the next day. Last night was so much fun, but very exhausting. The entire day yesterday, very exhausting. I don't think I've been that tired since Tokyo. But there's nothing like sleeping at a Disney hotel. Something about the bed, the pillows, just makes you feel like you're sleeping on like a cloud. It's so comfortable. Look at my view from my balcony this morning. Now that is awesome. This hotel stay definitely went very, very, very fast. I kind of wish I would have added another day, but you know, living so close to Disney, this is kind of like a gift, a reward to ourselves. It was really cool being here for a reopening day of the Disney Vacation Club resorts. I love Saratoga. I can definitely see myself staying here in the future. And if I'm being honest, I really like how Disney is handling things. First off, the mobile check-in for your resort. We got to bypass the front desk. We were able to come directly to our hotel room when it was ready. And also the mobile check-in for your dining. No need to go to the host stand. They will text you when your table is ready. Very easy, very convenient, and it honestly felt normal for the most part. I know you have to wear a mask, you see other people wearing a mask, but honestly, it was normal. I felt very, very normal. I can't stress that enough. Everything was just fine. I still felt the Disney magic as I've always felt by staying at a Disney resort. Hey, it's Future Dev. So I had to run home because we ended up staying another night and we needed clothes. So there will be more Disney videos this week. Last night, we got to go have dinner at Beaches and Cream. We walked around the boardwalk. We have some more surprises. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new here because we do this quite often. Make sure you're following me along on Instagram and check out all my links down below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Please remember, it's nice to be nice in YouTube. I'll see you in the next video. Prince Charming.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, with those gonna lift me up this time. You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your